Hi friends, welcome to my video on Ramappa Lake of Mulugu district, Telangana state. Well, nature is a beautiful painting gifted by God to mankind, which is full of colors and shades. This Ramappa Lake is a perfect example of the painting gifted by God to mankind. Let's explore the Ramappa Lake. Ramappa Lake is just 1 kilometer away from the world famous Ramappa temple and about 211 kilometers from Hyderabad. It will take about 4.5 hours to reach from Hyderabad to Ramappa Lake. The government have developed this lake as a perfect weekend holiday destination. Both Ramappa temple and Ramappa Lake can be covered in a day tour. There are about 4 to 5 Shiva temples in around Ramappa Lake, but they are in a very dilapidated conditions. They are made up of sandstone and granite stones. Urgent restoration work is required to rebuild these wonderful heritage temples. Agriculture and crop were some of the important source of income for Kakatiya Dynasty, and they have promoted agriculture through irrigation by constructing lakes, ponds in around every village. Ramappa Lake was constructed during Kakatiya Dynasty to promote agriculture. Beside Ramappa Lake, Kakatiya Dynasty have also built many lakes such as Pakhala Lake, Lakkavaram, Ganapavaram and Bayaram lakes. Now these lakes are a good source of irrigation for agriculture and also providing a weekend destination for people. Ramappa Lake was constructed during 13th century by the commander Recharla during the period of King Ganapathi Devudu. It is a symbol how agriculture flourished during Kakatiya Dynasty. This lake has a capacity of 2.9 TMC and the government have developed this lake as a perfect ecozone surrounded by mountains and forest. Let's begin the boat riding in Ramappa Lake, and it will take about 20 to half an hour to take a trip.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Are we really losing our past glory and heritage day by day? Yes, these silent, abandoned monuments want to tell something about the glory of the past. Yes, it's time to do something to pass the glory to the next generation in a good condition.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The glass so